So if we notice it now, sodium. So sodium, what is the atomic number, everybody? Sodium atomic number is 11. Magnesium is 12. Aluminum is 13. Potassium is 19. Calcium is 20. If you want, you can take more other metals if you want it. But of course, it's not same everything. So if you notice it here, all of you, 281, 282, 283, 2881, 2882. So if you notice metals, basically how many electrons we already studied. How many electrons will be there donating? Either 1 or 2 or 3. You can see here. Aluminum is having 3 electrons, 2 electrons. So metals basically valency varies from where to where? 1 or 2 or 3. So they can donate either 1 electron or 2 electrons or 3 electrons. So that is what their valency. So metals valency varies from where to where, everybody? Metals valence electrons. Valence electrons and as well as valency, both are same. Valence electrons are 1, 2, 3. Valency is also either 1 or 2 or 3. Do you understand, everyone? So that is what is about the metals. So metals have same number of valency and same number of valence electrons also. So please, those somebody is making noise, mute yourself, guy. Who is that boy? Okay. Now coming to the non-metals. Non-metals, we are people knows. Reactive non-metals. Who is the reactive non-metals? Nitrogen, oxygen, or you can take halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, sulfur, phosphorus. So if you notice it here, anything you can take. So nitrogen 7. What is the valence electron? Check it, everybody. Nitrogen, everybody. 2, 5. 5 is the valence electron. So to gain 3 is easy or loss 5 is easy? Which is easy? To gain 3 or loss 5? Gain 3. That is what? Needs 3 electrons. Next, 2, 6 needs how many electrons? 2 electrons. 2, 7 needs how many electrons? 1 electron. 285 needs how many electrons? 3 electrons. 286 needs 2 electrons. 287 needs 1 electron. So to acquire, to become stable in nature. To become stable in nature. That's why, basically, of course, suppose if I take carbon valence atomic number is 6. So valence electron 2, 4. So K and L. So this 4 will come. Under the 4 means valence also how much? Valence also 4 only. So they will undergo what? Sharing of electrons or receiving of electrons or? They undergoes, yes please, sharing of electrons. You remember, if any element is having 4 electrons in its valence cell, then valency is also 4. They undergoes sharing of electrons. No receiving, no accepting. If valence cell is having 5, 6, 7, then what is the valency? Speak loudly. Valency is how much? 3, 2, 1. They undergoes, they undergoes accepting electrons, or we can say receiving electrons. That is what you have to remember. Do you understand, everybody? So I will say this all reactive or unreactive? Everybody, they are reactive or unreactive? They are reactive. Yes, and these all are also reactive or unreactive? You should tell. Reactive or unreactive? Reactive. But these 3, these 4, they are what? Unreactive, because they are already stable in nature. Okay, so that is what you have to remember it. So this is the electronic configuration of only some elements. Most probably entire 10th class will run behind these elements only. As I told you, correct guys, even krypton also extremely rarely only they will ask. Mostly the nearest electronic configuration run behind helium, neon, argon. Other than this, it won't be cross. But still, if there is a chance to ask, if they will go maximum up to what element, they will go to krypton. Okay. So other than that, they won't go. So please kindly remember that you have to do at least krypton. You must have practice. Then only you can do in exam also. I hope everybody understand. Anybody having doubt, please let me know. All of you clear? Yes? Omar? Nothing doing, Omar. I know you are sleeping again. Clear, everybody? Rohit, Tejaswini, understand now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, ask me. Mr. Guru, any problem? Abhirami, Mitakshri?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what about it. Now, of course, we have much time. Now what I'm going to say is most important for you all the people. So if those who wants to be make it very effective in the questions, what they will ask you in this concept, you need to know electron dot structure. Then only you can proceed the further. Before formation of compounds, please everybody focus on electron dot structure. If you are good in electron dot structure, this is the easiest chapter, easiest concept which you people can mix. Okay, so that is what even 9th class you might be studied, but still you, if you forgot it, so this is only ways to called as Lewis dot structure also we can call. So please all of you keep heading electron dot structure. If you study this one, then tomorrow we'll study formation of compounds. So that is very easily. That's what like combination of metals and non-metals, ionic bond formation. We'll study tomorrow's class. All of you remember one point I'll say you. Valence electrons has to be mentioned on the element. That is only the electron dot structure. Valence electrons has to be mentioned. Either 1 electron, 2 electron, or 3 electron, doesn't matter. Number of valence electron has to be mentioned in the atom. That is only called as electron dot structure. So remember all of you, this electron dot structure is introduced by G.N. Lewis. That is why this is also is to called as what? Everybody? Lewis structure. Lewis structure also we can call it as what? Electron dot structure. Please remember that. Okay. So this is the simplest method to represent the elements. So let us start with the most popular non-metal. What is the most important popular non-metal? Anybody?
Potassium.
Potassium. Super. Non-metal.
Carbon.
Carbon. I'm asking most important non-metal. That is what everyone? Carbon. I'm not asking most reactive metal. Understand, Aswin? Most reactive metal is potassium. So carbon. What is the atomic number of carbon? Anybody? What is the atomic number of carbon? 6. So electronic configuration, tell me. What is the electronic configuration of carbon? Speak loudly. All of you. 2,
2,
4. What is the valence electrons? Valence electrons. Now remember what is the concept we are going to study today and tomorrow. Definitely there will be a question in board exam. Valence electrons, how many guys? Valence electrons, how many? Check it. This is what valence electron. How many? 4. Then electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. Only one I will say. Then you have to remember. Keep it in mind. Electron dot structure. Carbon. 4 electrons are there. So that you have to represent 4. That is only the electron dot structure. Okay. Next, second one. Nitrogen. Anybody can tell what is the atomic number of nitrogen? Nitrogen. All of you.
7.
7. Okay. So what is the electronic configuration? Girls, 2, 5. Okay. So valence electron. What is the valence electron?
5.
Valence electrons. Valence electrons are how many? Yes, please. 5. Okay.
Yes.
So electron dot structure. What is the electron dot structure will come? Anybody can tell? Electron dot structure. Not N. N if you write it is wrong. What do you have to write it? Everybody. 5 electrons. 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So that is the electron dot structure of nitrogen. Next, oxygen. Let me make it. Oxygen, fastly tell me. Oxygen symbol. O. Yes. What is the oxygen electronic configuration? Sorry, atomic number. 8. So 2, 6. So tell me valence electrons. Valence
6.
electrons. All of you. Valence electrons are 6. So electron dot structure, draw everybody. What is the electron dot structure? Already 2 examples I have given. By this time you have to draw. What is the electron dot structure? Speak loudly. How many electrons? 2, 4, 5 and 6. So that is the electron dots. Your choice. You can put here 2, 2 and up and down 1, 1. There is no way. Next, fluorine. Fluorine, what is the atomic number? Fluorine. 9. I don't know what you people are doing. So 9. What is the valence electron?
7.
What is the 7? Yes. So electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. How it will comes? Anybody? Anybody has drawn? You can. How it will comes? F and 7 electrons. 2, 4, 6 and 7. Keep it in mind. If any compound formation, if you forget to represent this electron dot structure, it is invalid. Your answer is not going to be evaluated. You are not going to get any mark for that question. Okay. Valence electrons has to be mentioned when you are writing the formation of compounds, particularly during electron dot structure. Very, very important. Based upon this only, next chapter, entire chapter carbonates compounds will run behind this electronic configuration structures. Most important one, the structures in carbonates compounds. There is a toughest part in the entire class 10th chemistry is carbonates compounds only. So there many times we will use this electron dot structure. So that's what I'm saying. Make it yourself very thorough. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Next, make it fast. I will draw, you have to finish it. Next, element number 5, neon. Neon, tell me everybody. Neon. It is a noble gas. What is the electronic configuration? I am writing order wise only. Neon 2, 8. Okay. So K and L. What is the electronic valence cell? 8. So valence electrons, how many? Check it. Valence electrons. How many guys? 8. So electron dot structure. I'm writing shortcut. Electron dot structure. Neon 8 valence electrons. Are you able to draw or not? Everybody. Next, 6th, sodium. So sodium, what is the atomic number? Fastly. Sodium, guys, 11.
11.
2, 8, 1. K, L, M. Valence cell is M. So valence electrons are how many? Valence electrons are how many? 1. So electron dot structure is sodium 1. Only 1 electron. You can put 1. That's clear, everybody? Understand, Amma? Number of valence electrons is representing is only called as, electron dot structure. If you take magnesium and aluminum, do it fast, everybody. Yeah, 7th one. Magnesium. Let me take for magnesium. So what is the magnesium atomic number? Theriyuma, theriyada? 12. So which is equals to 2, 8, 2. K, L, M. 2. So that what is the valence electrons? Everybody. Valence electrons are 2. Electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. Magnesium. So you can represent 2. One is anywhere you can represent, your choice. I'm representing one up and another one is down. Next side. Next one is aluminum. So aluminum, tell me what is the atomic number? We are studying from the first chapter. Aluminum theriyada? 13. So 2, 8, 3. K, L, M. So what is the valence electrons? Valence electrons. Everybody. Valence electrons, how many? What happened? Everybody become dumb fellow. So electron dot structure. Electron dot structure, if you notice it, aluminum, 3 electrons. So 1, 2, and 3. Do it. Make it quick, Mr. Sanjay doing Mr. Noor, Omar nicely sleeping. Okay, other than that, what he can do? Nothing he can do. Okay, next silicon. So anybody can tell me silicon atomic number? Silicon. Yes, I. What is the silicon? Silicon is actually semiconductor. You might be heard in semiconductors in recent days. Our India is running out of semiconductors. Silicon is one of the semiconductor. So 4. So what is the valence electrons? Valence electrons are
4, sir.
okay. So electron dot structure, which is silicon 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's all. Next, if you have taken phosphorus. Phosphorus, what is the electron atomic number? Anyone? Minimum 20 elements everybody must learn. By tomorrow itself, I'm saying. While you're traveling in bus today or tomorrow, everybody must learn minimum 20 elements. 30 elements, till zinc. Understanding atomic number is 30. Actually, it is a zinc. Till zinc, at least you must have knowledge. So phosphorus, tell me fastly. Valence electrons. Valence electrons, how many? These many things I taught, but still.
5.
So electron dot structure. What is that? Phosphorus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your choice. These 2 anywhere you can keep. Not that I'm according to me only have to keep it. Nothing like that. Okay, next sulfur. 11. Sulfur. Everybody respond. Sulfur. Yes. So what is the sulfur atomic number? 16. The 8th, 9th class also you studied first 20 elements. Now increase to 30. Everybody must know minimum 30 elements. If not, it's very, very tough. I'm saying. What is the electron? Valence electrons? Speak loudly. Valence electrons, how many? All of you. 6.
6, sir.
Okay. So that is what. Then electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. Silicon. Sorry, sulfur. 2, 4. Okay. 5 and 6. Or you can put this here 2, up to, and the right side and left side 1, 1. So this is what sulfur electron dot structure. Last one, chlorine. So chlorine, we all know. What is the atomic number at least? Chlorine, 17. 2, 8, 7. KLM. Valence electrons are 6. 7. KLM. 7. So 7 is the valence electrons. Valence electrons are 7. So electron dot structure, which is equals how much, guys? Chlorine. Anybody? 7 it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, guys? All of you understand? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So this is what you have to remember. Now, if you see the valency of neon alone, all of you check it. Valency of neon. How many electrons are there? All of you see here. How many electrons are there? Neon. 8 electrons. So that is why it is already completed. So that is why neon is already completed. 8 electrons in valence cell. That is why it is called as what? Everybody.
Noble.
Yes?
Noble gas.
Yes, it is actually inert element. Inert element. And you remember, those who are inert element, they will exist in the form of monoatomic. They no need, okay? They no need combined form. Always they will existed as a monoatomic form. Already they are inert elements and they exist. Actually, this is very important, note it. So all the noble gases, they will exist in individual atoms, but metals and non-metals cannot be, because they are unreactive, so they cannot be existed alone. For example, if you take oxygen, oxygen cannot existed alone. Oxygen always another oxygen needed. Hydrogen cannot existed alone, needed another. Phosphorus cannot existed alone, always P4. Sulfur cannot existed alone, always 8 sulfurs. Like that, These all are unstable. They need stability only when they are combining with some other. But inert gases, they will be monoatomic because they exist already completed. Valence shell is already completed. They will exist monoatomic form. Okay. So I hope you all understand everything clearly. So this is what about the electron dot structures. By tomorrow, I don't know what people will do. Minimum 30 elements has to be learned. Everybody has to do it. So otherwise, it's very, very tough. Okay. So please learn minimum 30 elements. 30 elements means 30th element. What is that? You can see here. All of you, zinc. Okay. So very simple. Please learn till 30 elements. This is very necessary for you people. At least till zinc. Okay. Thank you all of you. Meet in tomorrow's class.